Guys, the reason why you need an air fryer is that it cooks the food way better. For me, in my experience, it cooks my meats and seafood in a much more efficient manner. The meats are juicier, more tender, and they taste better. And the seafood in here just cooks a lot more faster. So for me, I'm a huge advocate for air fryers. It takes less time to cook something, and of course, it makes sure that it's cooked to perfection. So I'm actually going to cook a sweet potato in here today. I'm going to make a baked sweet potato, and I'm going to show you guys the process. In this compartment, put my sweet potato inside. I just love the fact that I can see through this. I can see how my food is cooking in the process. Turn this on, air fry it to 400. I'm going to take off the preheat option, but you have a preheat option here that you can turn on and off. And then I'm going to increase this to 45 minutes. It says the turn option is on. I'm gonna actually turn that off because I don't need to turn it halfway. So that's what that indicates. Turn reminder off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start it. So we can see the light is on, it's starting to cook, and then we'll see the result after 45 minutes. Sweet potato has come to its end. Let's see how it turned out. Ah, beautiful. Look, my air fryer did such an amazing job at cooking my sweet potato to perfection. This is just one of the many capabilities of the air fryer, and you just need it in your life to make cooking a lot more efficient and a lot more easier for you.